Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership and using a trusted device. That speeds recovery. Once done, open the browser where you normally sign into Gmail and check its saved passwords or your password manager. Make sure recovery phone and email are available and charged. If a password is stored, use it to sign in immediately and then update security settings. If not, proceed to account recovery. Don't attempt workarounds that bypass Google's process. Use official paths to protect your account. Now follow Google's recovery flow. Click Forgot Password and enter the exact email. Try the last password you recall. Google often accepts near matches. If that fails, request a verification code sent to your recovery phone or email and check those inboxes or messages. If two-step verification is active, accept the Google prompt on a trusted device, insert a security key, or redeem a backup code. Keep explanations concise when prompted for dates or account creation details to help verification succeed. Finally, once verified, set a strong, unique password and enable two-step verification to prevent future loss. Make sure to sign out of devices you no longer use, update recovery phone and email, and save the new password in a trusted manager. If the recovery flow fails, use Google's detailed account recovery form and provide accurate timeline details about account creation, frequent locations, and devices. Sometimes verification can take time. Keep calm and follow each step. Rushing increases mistakes that delay access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.